Martian terrain is rocky and sandy, making it hard to navigate, says Joe Mendelson, research director at Zoo Atlanta.
Robots are expensive, and a robot gets stuck in the sand, that's a problem, especially if that sand happens to be, say, on another planet, right, or very distant from an exploration post.
Zoo Atlanta offered to help. The zoo was the hub for an experiment with deadly sidewinder rattlesnakes. Using high-speed video cameras, scientists followed the snakes as they moved with little effort up incline, says Daniel Goldman, associate physics professor at the Georgia Institute of Technology. He's also co-author of a new study that explains the snake's serpentine movement.
We noticed that the animals were in fact sidewinding, using the same kind of pattern of sidewinding they use on hard ground, but laying instead of only a few points of contact on the body contacting the ground, they were essentially laying more and more snake body down on the hill as the incline angle increased.
Next into the sandpit was Mod Snake, a meter-long robot composed of 16 identical modules, each 6 centimeters in diameter. Goldman says the bot, developed at Carnegie Mellon University, has a long history of getting in and out of tight places.
It turned out they had actually been using the sidewinding gait in their robot for many years to traverse all kinds of ground, but always had trouble on sandy dune inclines.
Once researchers had quantified the real snake's wave-like movement into programmable data, the next step was to get the robot to climb in the same way.
And those same waves existed in the robot and allowed it to make its maneuvers and allowed us to modify those waves to make the kind of maneuvers that the snake did on sand dunes of different incline, that is, laying down more robot as the hill angle increased.
Goldman hopes the next-generation snake robot may be deployed to save lives or explore remote regions on Earth or in space. He's confident that it won't get stuck in the sand. The study is in the current issue of the journal Science. Roseanne Skirbel, VOA News, Washington.